Hello everyone! Pupunta kami ngayon sa Buc-ee's. Magpapakarga ng gasolina. Dahil ang Buc-ee's is one of the cheapest gas pump here in Daytona Beach, Florida. Samahan niyo kami. Napakaganda ng weather ngayon dito. Maaliwalas ang langit. Medyo traffic. Ito yung way going to Buc-ee's. Nagbi-build up na ng traffic. Weekends kasi ngayon, kaya marami nang papakarga ng gasolina. Pero during weekdays, hindi naman ganito kadami. We are now in
I-95, north to south. There's nothing like this in the Philippines.
Nandito na tayo sa Buc-ee's, guys. Hundreds of customers.
And they don't have enough.
Ito ang Buc-ee's dito sa Daytona, isa sa pinakamalaki at malawak na gas pump. Ito ay mayroong 104 gas pump at napakamura din ang gas dito compare sa ibang gasoline stations. Kaya naman dinadagsa talaga ito ng mga tao. Do you know guys that in the past 12 months, an average of 14,794 visitors a day go to Buc-ee's? And that's according to Buc-ee's. Iba't ibang klase ng mga vehicles na nagpapakarga dito. Merong yan, camper or RV ang tawag namin dito sa Florida, ang RV yan. Yung iba naman, meron ding boat, may mga bangka, tapos may mga buses, trucks, iba't ibang klase. Ang Florida ay meron siyang self-service pag nagpagas ka. Hindi kagaya sa ibang state or sa ibang bansa na mayroong nagkakarga ng gasolina sa iyo. Dito self-service. Kung debit card or credit card ang ibabayad mo, ilalagay mo lang doon yung card mo. Pero kung cash naman, pupunta ka sa loob ng Buc-ee's, meron silang store. Doon ka magbabayad kung cash ang ibabayad mo sa gas pump, sa gas mo, at sasabihin mo lang kung nasa ang gas pump ka. Kung anong number ang gas pump mo. Merong boat doon, palabas na, at nahirapan siyang lumabas.
We cannot go. We cannot get out. Huge.
Mostly pag weekends, ganito dito ma-traffic kapag palabas at papasok sa gas station. Kaya tiyaga-tiyaga lang.
And you know his car honey is the bomb. The one is carrying the bomb. See?
And they have these mega convenience stores that's over 50,000 square feet. We're going inside the Buc-ee's convenience store. And I'm with my husband. It's sunny day. We're now inside the Buc-ee's and let's see what we can get from here. Oh, no pork, only chicken today.
I don't know if they have chicken.
Okay, it's already on. Yes, it's on. It's the brisket.
Yep. Oh, it's okay.
This is a very, very busy place. Nakabili na kami ng aming pagkain at drinks, chicken sandwich and pulled pork sandwich. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you will get updated every time I upload a new videos. We're on our way home. Thank you for watching, guys.